and gentlemen, welcome back. Tile Tool Tuesday. This quick 5-minute segment, we will be talking about and discussing levels. Different sizes and what they are typically intended for tile installation. So what I have here are 5 different sized levels, starting with a 6-footer, moving to a 4-foot level, down to a 16-inch level, to a 9-inch torpedo level, all the way down to a 2.5-inch level. Now, there will be 2 parts to this video. One being what the typical uses are for levels, and 2, how to clean levels, how to clean the thin set that is stuck onto your levels. So let's quickly bring the camera up close, show you the clean levels versus the dirty levels, and show you how to clean your levels and make them new again. So really quick, here's the 2.5-inch level by Stabila, your 9-inch torpedo by DeWalt. As you can see, it's been used and abused. Lots of thin set on this level. We'll show you how to clean it quick and easy. Another very dirty level by Stabila, 16-inch. Here we have a 4-foot level by Stabila. Again, we'll show you how to make this look new. And lastly, we have a 6-foot Stabila level that needs no cleaning. Here we go. Let's not waste any more time, show you how to clean the dirty levels, and then talk about what these levels are typically meant and used for. Now, first step, you will need a clean, smooth substrate. Simply lay your dirty levels out. Second, you will need 2 products. Product number 1, Great Stuff Big Gap Filler Foam, as well as sulfamic acid. As usual, I will have links in the description below with pricing on the cleaning products as well as these levels. Let's move on. Now the first step is you simply need to build a dam with your foam around the levels to contain the water that will be filled up. Now we let the foam cure and set up, and then we fill this with water along with the sulfamic acid. We now pour our water and then add our sulfamic acid. And we're back 2 days later, 48 hours later. We are going to lightly scrape off any excess thin set that may still be stuck on these levels, and then pull them out and show you what they look like. We now have clean levels. Let's show you before. As you can see, it's been used and abused. Lots of thin set on this level. Another very dirty level by Stabila. Again, we'll show you how to make this look new and after. DeWalt, Stabila, and a 4-foot Stabila. Let's move on and talk about what these levels are typically used for tile installation. We will start with the smallest and move up to the 6-foot level. First, again, the 2.5-inch Stabila level. It's typically used for your drain kit, your shower drain kit, the ABS, making sure everything is level and plumb. It's also used to make sure that your drain grate is level as well as any vertical plumbing, as this is magnetic. We move on to the DeWalt. This is a 9-inch DeWalt torpedo level, typically used for your shower niche in order to get your proper pitch and slope into the shower. It's also used for the sill of your niche to get it level, as well as a small window sill. We move on to the 16-inch Stabila. Now this is the most used level other than our 4-foot Stabila. It's used for linear drains. It's also used for the first row of your tile for tile installation for showers, as well as making sure the first row is level. Other applications are a pony or knee wall, for framing your niche, as well as checking pitch and slope, your 1/4 inch per foot for a shower pan. We move on to another widely used level. This is a 4-foot Stabila. We use this to check and make sure all of our studs prior to backer board installation are flush, and we use this to check for plumb with our studs. And of course, this is utilized to make sure your tile installation is plumb as well. For shower door installation, it's also utilized to check the perimeter of a poured shower pan on the two side walls as well as the back wall. Moving on to the Stabila box level, a 6 foot. We pull this out after we have tiled up to 4 feet of tile to make sure all of the walls are flat and plumb. And lastly, it's used to check if your tile floor is flat and level, especially when you are installing multiple bathroom vanity cabinets or kitchen cabinets. And those are the basic uses for these different size levels. So tell us what you guys specifically use your levels for in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video. We now have clean levels. As you can see, it's been used and abused. Another very dirty level by Stabila. And after.